friends! So at first I was worried about making tree videos, but it ended up working out, and since it's the season, tonight is all about conifers. Most are trees, but some are shrubs. They all have a wooden trunk though, and they're all evergreens, so they don't lose their leaves for the winter. They have a kind of sap called resin, which is good at protecting wounds from parasites. Conifer means cone bearer. They reproduce with something we call cones, but they're not always conical. Anyway, there's so many kinds. Here are some characteristics that vary a little. Instead of having the classic tree shape, they usually have a straight trunk with branches around. The leaves of conifers are either needles or they're made from scale-like structures. An interesting fact is that they can open and close their pores as needed depending on the weather. At least I found it interesting. The leaves are also often fairly dark, which helps them absorb more sunlight. As for the cones, they have individual sexes. The male cones make pollen, which is carried by the wind, and then lands in the female cones. There, the fertilized ovules become seeds. Dispersal varies a lot depending on species. Some cones open up or disintegrate and let the seeds fall out. Others will make tasty nut-like seeds that are spread by animals. Others yet become fruit. Birds eat those and poop the seeds elsewhere. There are even conifer seeds that will only be released when the parent is burned, so they can stay there for several decades. If you are wondering why so many conifers are shaped like this, it's to make snow fall more easily so the branches don't break. Now I'd like to mention some points about the ecological significance of conifers. There aren't a lot of species, but they are very widespread. In fact, they're an important store of carbon, keeping CO2 out of the atmosphere. Also, dead ones feed lots of bugs. The world's tallest tree is a conifer. The world's thickest tree is a conifer. The world's oldest tree is a conifer. They might not have the pretty flowers and tasty fruits that other plants have, but you should still appreciate them. Peace.